Finally. Whew. Welcome back, my Freeform stoners. Today we're gonna have a short video. Basically today the video is gonna be about a night routine, or the things you can wear going to sleep, or pretty much what I like to wear going to sleep, and also at work, which is the bonnet and the wave cap. It's the two things I wear. So we're gonna get in that video in a little bit. Hey, real quick, I want to thank everybody, you know what I'm saying, for watching the videos. Also going to listen to the song. The song's doing really good on the stream, so I want to thank y'all for that. And I also want to say, man, hey, my Instagram will be in the descriptions, and I'll probably put it somewhere up here on the video. But man, you guys, man, you got content that you want to put out, you know what I'm saying, you want people to see or whatever, or you want to do reviews, hit my Instagram or whatever, which would be JAREETHARAPPER, Jaree_the_rapper. Put that in Instagram, man, and send me whatever you want to review, man. We can review it on here. You know what I'm saying? If you got dreads, you know what I'm saying? If you subscribe to me, you got dreads. You know what I'm saying? Send me pictures. We're going to review them. You make music, send them to me, man. Send me the links or whatever, man. I'll put it on YouTube. We're going to review it. So I want you guys to do that, man. But we'll be back, man. Stay tuned for the intro. And oh, yeah, that's my song, man. Y'all go listen to that.
I'm so high, I don't wanna come down. Tell them bitches, they can meet me in the back. For them niggas, tell them niggas, all that hating shit is whack. For them niggas, tell them niggas.
Needed that. Okay, so here we got two hair apparatuses. Here we got two things we use, which is one, here's the bonnet, you know. Look, guys, don't be afraid to wear bonnets, man. Men wear bonnets too, man.
Yeah, I got a bonnet on, bitch. Fuck.
Really, I actually sleep in this sometimes. You know. And then you got the wave cap. You know what I'm saying? We got the wave cap. You know, both works pretty much the same. It protects your hair. Protects your hair while you sleep. Keeps your oils and all your little moistures locked in or whatever. But the thing about that is the wave cap. So the wave cap, I actually work in this, the wave cap. I put this on when I'm at work, and it works perfectly fine. Hair stay in place. You know, I actually like to think that the wave caps actually help dreads grow. I don't know, call me crazy, but this is what I think. Because I think your hair is just here, and it's like, it's almost like you got a heating cap on, especially if you work outside in the heat or whatever. So it's like everything that's going on in here, it pretty much stays locked in and heats up in your hair. Say if you put oils or essential oils or just your natural oils that you produce, you know what I'm saying, on a daily. I really feel like this, you know what I'm saying, keeps it locked in, moisture in. And then if you, like I said, if you're working outside or in the heat, it, you know what I'm saying, it's like almost heating it up, opening your pores, and that stuff is sinking in there. So I like to think the wave cap helped dreads grow, and I done heard that from plenty of people with dreads. So which actually got me started. It was like, yo, go get a cap. So that's one reason why I wear it. And then two, you know, like I work in a dirty warehouse, so I like to keep stuff out of my hair. You know what I'm saying? So that's also good for that. So can't go wrong with a wave cap. I know some people wear do-rags. I got do-rags upstairs or whatever, but I've been so long past that, you know what I'm saying? But I mean, especially starting out, you would like to put something on it starting out, because you know, it's, you sleeping, man, it'll come out or wake up and one side smush or the other side smush, the back smush. And that's the thing about the wave cap, it smushes your hair out. But the bonnet, which is what I like to sleep with, the bonnet actually is better to sleep with. Keep your dreads in place, and when you wake up, it's not so much of a side is smushed, or you know what I'm saying, it's not so much matted. It's just like your hair. You wake up, like I might, how you see me now, I sleep with the bonnet and it'll probably be just like this, maybe a little bit different because every day your hair looks different with dreads. But yeah, man, so the bonnet's the perfect thing to sleep with. As long as you got to get over the fact that you're wearing a bonnet, dude. You know what I'm saying? I mean, like, you're not out in public, or, you know what I'm saying? So it's, you know what I'm saying? Don't be ashamed to put one on. Once you get over the fact that you got a bonnet on, man, I'm telling you, this shit works wonders. So, basically my nighttime routine, you know what I'm saying? I shower. I don't rinse my hair every day. I probably rinse my hair twice a week, being that I work in a warehouse. So I rinse my hair twice a week, man. And put this on, go to sleep. Pretty simple. Wake up in the morning, brush my teeth, whatever. Go to work. When I go to work, I put this on. I work probably 9, 10, 11 hours a day, you know what I'm saying? Varies, but I had this on the whole time, man. So that's my routine for that. So it was a real short video, so man, I hope you guys like it, man. And if you got any questions or anything, so like I said, you know, hit the Instagram, JAREETHARAPPER. Hit the Instagram. Don't forget, you guys send me your content so we can reshare it to the world, you know what I'm saying, what you're making it for if people ain't seeing it. So thank everybody for watching all the other videos, man, and keep, you know what I'm saying, keep tuning in, keep subscribing. I appreciate it, you know what I'm saying. When I grow, the channel grow, we all grow, man, the more stuff we can offer. So I appreciate it, man, from the bottom of my heart. And to the next video. Oh yeah, y'all, smoke weed.
Yeah, you know, this kind of remind me of that Taylor Gang shit. Hey, shout out to Wiz and them too. I'm so high, I don't wanna calm down. Tell them bitches they can meet me in the back. For them niggas, tell them niggas all that hating shit is whack. For them niggas, tell them niggas all that hating shit is whack. I'm so high, I don't wanna calm down. Tell them bitches they can meet me in the back. For them niggas, tell them niggas all that hating shit is whack. For them niggas, tell them niggas all that hating